What's up, YouTube? I just wanted to make a quick video before I go home. This is the 17 Ford Escape turbo engine with the high pressure pump. Let's get into it. This is where I said if you have this vehicle, you should be replacing the follower at least every 50,000 miles. So the follower completely wore out, and then that started rubbing on the camshaft, taking out the pump and the follower, and giving some damage to the camshaft. So this was like a $30 part from the dealer for the camshaft follower. Yeah, so for a $30 part for some simple maintenance, preventing you from spending thousands of dollars. So once this is destroyed and the camshaft's bad, you're in bad shape. So simple maintenance, don't overextend your oil changes. Thanks for watching.